morning from Zuko Valley. We probably woke up at around 5. It was still dark. The sun started coming out probably 15 minutes ago, and I wanted to show you guys the view from my tent. Alright, so this is how it looks like from my tent. Look at this beauty. It's a hell of a place. Look at that. This is what the morning looks like. There is where we'll be going, over there, somewhere over there. There is the end point. Alright. This is the 360 view from this place. So I think the sun is officially out, and that is one of the viewing spot kind of thing over there. And then this is how the valley looks like. And what time is it now? It's probably 6:30. I know. There are some guys going over there, right? There some will be cooking food. You can actually have your own lunch or breakfast over there, but I don't think they allow over here. All right. This is probably the first time you'll be seeing this. But the valley actually starts from there, from that end. It comes like this, and then you can actually do a 360 view from this exact spot. So I'll be going to the other side of the valley, not the other side, the one I showed you guys from the place where I camped. Right, I'll be going there. I think the view from there is better comparing to the view from the place where I stayed. All right, and this is the way. All right, so after we climb this, the valley looks something like this. That is where we stayed. I'll show you guys from the other side. Look at that. This is the last point. Not the last one, there's another one over there.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Someone is there, right? Yeah, someone is over there. There's a cross. Is that a cross? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a cross.
It looks like it's crafted so well. Huh?
Yeah.
It's done by mankind, but it's not. It's actually nature.
Yes.
Look at this. So there seem to be a suicide point over there. So there seems to be a suicide point from. Yeah, this is actually the last point.
Oh my goodness, if I fall down there, I'm done.
at this. Let's chill here for a while. There seemed to be a cave over there. I don't know where to show you guys, this one or the sky, because the sky also looks really beautiful. This is how the place looks like from up here. If you fall, you're going straight down there. No coming back, my friends, no coming back. But for this, it's worth sitting over here and chilling, probably alone. So we found out there is a cave somewhere over there. The distance might be probably around 30 to 45 minutes. This is how the place looks like. Right now we just started our journey from the cliff. Okay, and then I don't have a lot of charge in my GoPro and my phone as well, so I'll keep you guys posted. I'll not show you guys the whole thing. Right, just I don't think you're supposed to skip this video because it's totally worth it. Hi. We are probably halfway there. We are actually going to that place, that cross. You guys can see that? Yes, that is where we'll be going. Okay, the view is already visible, but I don't want to show you guys because it looks really beautiful. Look at this. So this is the river, and then that is where we stayed, somewhere over there. All right, and I don't want to get close, but it looks something like this. All right. There seemed to be a cave somewhere over there, so we'll be going there. This is what you can do at Zuko. So we are almost there. This was very far from the place we stayed. This is how the place looks like. There are a lot of names written. NL07, these are the names. It's not a cave, but then it's a giant rock.
Yeah. You got there, right?
There seem to be a cross cave also there. Cross.
There's a cross. You should visit there. Yeah.
We'll probably go there as well. Not probably, we'll be going there. I think Zuko Valley took the word. The best view comes after a big climb, very seriously, because look at this, and it was very steep.
the cross. We made it. There is the cave. तर गइँदैन भाइ त्यहाँसम्म. So we actually wanted to go over there, but there seemed to be no way from here. I don't know, I can't tell you guys if it's there or not. If there might be some other way, but we came from this route, so there's no way from here. So I think this is the last place we've come. We'll be returning back there, over there. I don't know if I'm pointing it right. Okay, over here, that is where we'll be going. It probably might take 1 hour, I guess. So I think this is it for today. We've packed our bags and also a little preview to reach that cross. It nearly took us around 50 minutes, I guess. Yeah, probably 50 minutes. All right. And also you will get breakfast. You'll get tea for breakfast in the morning, and then only dinner. There's no lunch, but you'll get everything in the shop, right? And I just hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, please like, share and subscribe. That's all I know. I think this is a very long video. I'm sorry about that. So I'll see you guys in another vlog. See you. Take care. Bye bye.